This short video will show you how to prevent a serial number from auto-populating, or for that matter, any quantity for auto-populating on the ship dock. So by default, when I enter any item, it will find the associated inventory and put in at least one value. Now sometimes you want to kind of set which serial number you actually want to put in. So we don't want this behavior at all. We're going to go back to our ship dock and delete that line item. I'll do that. Then I'll go to my preferences here, and I'm going to click on the shipping preferences, and I want to uncheck automatically set quantity when creating ship dock from a sales order. It's not only from a sales order, it's also any ship dock. So now I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to go back to my ship dock and enter again my control panel, and now I can set any one of the serial numbers that I want.